Total number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka stands at 1,056. 480 people have been discharged, 539 people undergoing treatment, and 36 of them have been reported dead. Total number of COVID-19 cases in Bengaluru increases to 202. 101 people discharged and 93 people are being treated at designated hospitals in the city. 7 deaths has been reported. 14 new COVID-19 cases suspected from Shivaji Nagar. Cases said to be secondary contacts of a housekeeper who had tested positive while he was working at a hotel. Second train carrying 1,100 people arrives in Bengaluru from Delhi. All passengers are undergoing thermal scanning and will be quarantined. Passengers will be quarantined in hotels, hostels and PGs. Tension for BBMP authorities as test results of 105 people is awaited. All these people had arrived from America to Bengaluru as part of the Vande Bharat mission. State to take final decision on lockdown 4.0 and to announce new guidelines across the state. Relaxations likely in green and orange zones, rules not to be eased in containment zones. 24 migrant laborers killed in a tragic mishap in Auraya in Uttar Pradesh. 22 people have been admitted to the hospital and 15 who were critically injured have been referred to Sci-Fi PGI. Migrants were traveling from Rajasthan to Jharkhand, Bihar and West Bengal. BMC directs Mumbai Cricket Association to hand over facilities of Wankhede Stadium. The civic body says acquisition was of a temporary nature. Payments for use of facilities would be done at a later date. 85,940 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. 53,035 people are undergoing treatment at designated hospitals and 30,153 people have been discharged so far. 2,752 people have died due to the deadly virus in the country. United States to donate ventilators to India. US President Donald Trump extends support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Says US and India together will beat the invisible enemy.